Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, in this video friend I will show you how to download and install PhoneRescue, a very fantastic data recovery software for your PC. Okay, I will tell you how to download and install for your PC. Okay, without wasting time we will go toward the video and we will start how to do it. Okay, so first of all we will search on Google phone rescue. Okay, so after that we will search here and open this website TenorShare. This is the product of TenorShare company. Okay, web software developing company. Open this website and after that TenorShare.net has been opened and you can see here all variants are available here. Best iPhone and iPad data recovery software. Okay, features you can see here. The feature: recover lost or deleted photos, videos, contact messages, iMessage, notes, call logs, and more. Okay, you can see here everything here. And recovery time file, recovery scenario. Okay, what's name? Scenarios. Okay, recovery method review. I recover everything evaluate from any iOS device. Text content recovery, media content recovery, media, text, call, Safari, calendar, SMS, messages. Oh, what's wrong with you? Just a second. Reminders, note. These are the text recovery. Okay, media recovery, photos, audio, and everything of media. Application, WhatsApp, Messenger, Cake, Tongue, every application of social media. Okay, you can see here. Get back all of full lost data, no matter how you lost them. Okay, how you load them, everything you will recover it. Okay, factory reset, upgrade, downgrade, log, disabled, damage, anything your data has been lost, you can get it back. Virus attack, jailbreak, everything, system crash, highest recovery rate in history. Okay, safe recovery preview available, flexible recovery, ease of access. Okay, 3 methods restore data without any loss. Okay, these are the methods from iOS device, from iTunes, from iCloud. Okay, after that just 3-step recover lost iPhone, iPod, touch data. Okay, connect device. First of all connect your device and scan and search. Okay, after scanning you will search anything you want to recover. Okay, preview, you will preview and recover it. Your any content you want to recover. Okay, after preview. Okay, why choose TenorShare ULT data. And TenorShare will enable you to recover data from your crashed iPhone. Okay, and Softonic CNET, a very big website and company of software provider, and Softonic, it's also a website, very fantastic website for softwares. Okay, their reviews are available here. Okay, you can see here. Okay, for that TenorShare Ultra data, ULT data. Okay, best iPhone and iPad recovery data software. Okay, download for your Windows. The Windows supported are XP, Vista 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay, we will try to download it for PC Windows. Okay, it's selected and you will tap the start. So you can see here the installer for ULT data for iOS and your operating system is Windows has been started here, and you can see here that is 2 MB setup, and this is the installer for PhoneRescue for iOS. Okay, after this download we will start to install the whole complete software for your PC. Okay, we will wait for it. I will pause it to save your time. Okay, you can see here the installer has been downloaded and we will try to install the software. What's wrong with you? It's been downloaded. Okay, and run it as administrator and install it. After that you can see here what just Zabia for wait, what's wrong with it? Sorry, I might forgotten show in folder and install it, not disappear. Okay, I will run it as administrator. And what's wrong with you? That is going to be installing. Just install it. I will accept install. And finally you can see here the setup is going to be installed. It's 4 point completed, percent completed, and after this the software will be installed into our PC, and we will get all the features, free trial feature for our PC here. Okay, thank you. So that you can also download and install this software for your PC in this way. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.